What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Look in your right hand corner, you will see a little red square that says subscribe. Smash that for me. All right, thank you so much. All right, for everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back. I want to show you a few programs on how to become a postcard boss. How about that? All right, going into 2023. I got involved with postcard marketing, guys, many years ago, like 2012-ish, 2013-ish, somewhere in that area, right? I was trying to learn internet marketing, okay, how to market online. I was in some network marketing opportunities, and I failed at it miserably trying to promote those opportunities online. I didn't understand there is a skill to internet marketing, okay? So didn't quite work out as well in the beginning, so I started and I found my success with postcard marketing, okay? Because it was simple and easy. Just put a label on the stamp, put a label on the postcard and put a stamp on it and drop them in the mail and wait for the results to happen. I just kept doing it over and over. I was still in corporate America, so hey, I was like, hey, go to work and just mail these cards every week. Works for me. And then I started seeing success coming in. I was like, okay, so I know this works, okay? So let's talk about it. I have a few opportunities I'm going to present to you guys. What you want to do is go to the link in the description, www.thepostcarddiva.com. All right, when you go there, you're going to see the cash cow and the tycoon. Okay, so opt in and check them out. So I definitely know about postcard marketing. I know it works if you remain consistent and never quit. All right, so stuff your mailbox with cash. What's more fun than getting money in the mail? See what's changing lives and how money is made. That banks $300 bills directly into your mailbox. It's super stupid simple to get cash in your mailbox every day like clockwork. By the way, that's 6 days a week, guys, because that's when the mail runs, right? So the sky is the limit, okay? There's no guarantee of income here because I don't know what your worth ethics are. I'm just telling you what's possible. This is what I did, the journey that I went through, and to this point it works at this point at this time, okay, from then to now. So I know this works, all right, because I did it. All right, guys, and still continue to do it today. All right, so let's look at these opportunities, all right, shall we? All right, let's take a look at the cash cow. All right, the cash cow. Let me show you the postcard here. All right, this is the cash cow, guys, and check it out, live and in color. This is the postcard, okay, front and back. This bad boy pays out $100 commissions on 2 tiers, okay? So whenever you sign up somebody, your name is going to be on their postcard. So when they mail out their postcards for themselves, your name is on there as well. So when they make $100, guess what? You make $100 every time they make $100, okay? Every time. You cannot beat that, guys. You make 100, they make 100. All right? So a great way to get started, cash cow. This program is going to cost you $300, okay, because you're going to mail in 3 money orders, okay? If you go to that link, www.thepostcarddiva.com, you'll see that, and it gives you the instructions on here how to do that. 3 money orders. All right, with this, the company is going to mail you 100 postcards, just like what I showed you here, okay? When you join me in this one, I'm going to throw in 200 leads. It does not come with leads, okay? But it comes with 100 postcards that the company is going to mail you and a welcome kit. All right. Now you also, when folks sign up with you, they're going to mail you. They're going to mail a money order in your name to the company. So you're going to get a little sheet like this from the company. See, it says Cash Cow on it. All right, and it's going to tell you, and I've covered this up, it's going to tell you who signed up with you. Okay? It's going to say who signed up. I'm covering that up. But right here, see, it says Cash Cow. So you're going to know when you get these little envelopes, this is what it looks like. There's a stack of these I've gotten over the years. Okay, you're going to get these from WTM in these white envelopes, and it's going to say Cash Cow on it. All right, guys? A money order in your name. Okay? 3 money orders you're going to need to mail in for this program. $300 you're in. No monthly fees with this stuff. Mail it in. All right? So that's the Cash Cow. All right, let's go to the next one. Next one up is the Tycoon. Okay, I've been a part of this one since 2016. 6 years this bad boy has been around. This one pays out $300 money orders. It's no other tiers, just one tier, $300 over and over and over and over. All right, when you sign up, the company's going to mail you 250 postcards and 250 leads, and this is what the postcard looks like. See right here? So go to the postcarddiva.com, check it out. All right, now when you sign up with me in this one, I'm going to mail you 500 leads on pill and stick labels. Okay, to get started. Okay, that's the owner of the company, Eric Pantalon. He also owns the Cash Cow. Okay, all 3 of these programs, he's the owner, WTM Pub. All right, guys. Now, they offer also what they call the 5 for Life bonus. After every 5th sale with the Tycoon, the company is going to send you, you ready? 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps after every 5th sale. It's called the 5 for Life. It's on this website. So when you go to that link, postcarddiva.com, go check it out. Read over this website. Okay, it gives you all the details. I'm not going to read it to you because I know you can read it. All right, but just giving you a brief review. Okay, and it comes with a welcome kit as well. All right, guys. So go check it out. It has also on this site, let's back it up here, a sizzle number is what we like to call it, an info line. Go check this out, 857-957-1653, 24/7 number. Go check it out and listen to it. So if you're interested in making $300 over and over and over, simply mailing postcards, become a postcard boss. Okay, check it out. $300 is nothing to sneeze at. Let me tell you. Just think about that. One of those a week is an extra $1,200 a month. I'm just saying. Okay? So go check out this one, the Tycoon. How much is it to get started? $498. You're going to mail in 2 money orders for this one. A $300 money order to me and $198 to the company. $498 you in. Right at 500, I would say. Okay? That's what that is pretty much. You're in. Now you have an offline business. It comes with a website with this one. Cash Cow does not. So you have a website with your name. Let's go all the way down at the bottom. It's going to have your name and number on your website so folks will know who to contact. Make sure you print this out, fill it out, make it legible so they can read it, the company, when you mail in your money orders, because they need to know your address so they can mail your commissions, right? And they need to mail you your kit. They need to mail you your postcard. So make sure this stuff is legible. Print this out, mail in your money orders, mail them priority to the company as it specifies on here. Okay, please read this. Take your time with it. All right, if you have any questions, give me a call. But that's the Postcard Tycoon, $300 over and over and over. All right, next. Oh, before we finish that, let me tell you, it comes also when you get your money orders. The company's gonna send you this little sheet. See, it says the Tycoon on this one. Okay, so this one says the Tycoon, the other one will say the Cash Cow. So you'll know what it's for and who signed up with you, their name. Okay, guys. All right, let's move on. All right, for my high ticket folks that say, hey, I want to make $1,000 a sale, Supreme Profit System is for you. Here's the number, 720-721-4140. Give that a jingle, listen to it. The info line on that one, $1,000 commissions. Not having to worry about online marketing, just simply mailing your postcards. I'm out of those, so I don't have one at hand, but I'll show it to you on this screen. $1,000, guys. And this one is 2 tiers. Every time your teammate mails their postcard, your name is on their card. When they make 1,000, a stack. Okay? When they make a stack, you make a stack. Okay, how cool is that? This one also comes with the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps for Supreme Profit System. $1,000. Imagine one of those a week or one extra a month. Okay, that can change your household. Okay, so great opportunity. Go look at this one. Same scenario here. This one is the Tycoon. It comes with a website as well. We keep coming down. There's Eric again. Okay, come down. Your name is going to be on your website and your sponsor's name. Make sure you fill this out completely. How much is this one to get in? $23.50. Okay, so here you've got 3 money orders. 1,000, 1,000, and then $3.50. All right, because you got 2 tiers. And just remember, your teammate makes 1,000, you make 1,000. Okay, that's powerful. All right, so become a postcard boss in 2023. Pick one. You decide, guys. Where would you want to be? All right, what's your income goals? These are some great ones to look at. I've been a part of WTM for a long time. Okay, at least 6 years. Okay, because I was with the Tycoon before these actually came out. So no worries here. Again, the money orders will be in your name. They're just going to be forwarded to the company, and then they're going to forward you yours. All right, so there you have it. There you have it, guys. Hope you were having your coffee. All right. Woo, gotta have that coffee in the morning. So you're interested in offline marketing, direct mail marketing, postcard marketing, go give these a check. Check these out, okay, before you make any decisions. Great programs. Never had any issues here because, again, they're in your name. Okay, that's very important. All right, guys, so if you have any questions, give me a call. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Happy holidays to you all. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Be safe out there. Till next time, have a blessed day. See you on the next video.